Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel and also welcome to a new video. Today I will provide you with a basic SEO guide to optimize the content of your website to be able to appear in Google, be better positioned in search engines, increase qualified web traffic, consolidate your brand, sell more in each of the benefits that an SEO job implies today. SEO, search engine optimization, is a key practice to improve the visibility of your website in search engines. Explained in a very simple way, SEO consists of actions and techniques that search engines position your website in the first positions, which is where most users go when looking for information or answers to questions. So specialists carry out multiple tasks and techniques to achieve the objective. However, my friends, the goal of this video is to show you and explain the basic actions. 1. Perform a web audit. As I explained to you in the previous videos, there is no content strategy that works if a website has performance and loading time problems. What happening when? Do you enter a website and feel that it takes a long time to load? Just as you entered, press the cross to exit. Well, it's not just you, but most of the users. For this reason, my friends, if a website loads slowly, then it will never be well considered by Google to position it. How to do a quick and easy audit. Go to Pages Speed. You place the URL of the home of your website, wait a few seconds and it will show you the performance on both PC and smartphones and the problems you must solve. Once you solve them, that's when it's time to start working on a content marketing strategy. 2. Optimize the content that is already published on the web. Remember that when we talk about the web, we refer to a professional website, blog, personal, e-commerce store, and other types. What does optimized content mean? Go to Google and type in the search engine site with the URL of your website. Then it will appear below each of the URLs of your website that are indexed in Google. Optimization involves doing the following. Modify every title and every meta description to make them more persuasive. For example, you can change a title that says Content Creation Tools for Top 7 Content Creation Tools. Content creation. Thus, by attracting more attention, it generates, my friends, more clicks and consequently, more web traffic. You can also make the meta description more persuasive and include a call to action, tag, to encourage more people to click and enter the content. 3. Add images or videos to your content. This is essential for a web article. Do you know why? Because it is proven that images and videos complement the written text. And they knew what? The contents that they have a main image and 3 more images throughout the text have many more chances of positioning in a better place in Google. And in addition to adding images or videos, use persuasive headings and subheadings and descriptives that encourage the user to continue reading. Well, it's useless, come and go quickly. Descriptive headings and subheadings not only help search engines to understand the content of your website, but rather they also make it easier to navigate and find the information a user searches. Do you understand that it is a great benefit for everyone? 4. Use the Rank Math plugin. There are many SEO tools. However, this plugin uses intelligence artificial to determine if your article or content has a high probability of rank well on Google. It will show you from the SEO score, which must be greater than 80 and get as close as possible to 100. What you have to do is fulfill each of their requirements. 5. Don't forget to add title and meta description. It is also required by the Rank Math plugin. Earlier, my friends, I told you about optimization of titles and meta descriptions. Well, now I tell you that you must write them in every content. Remember that title is not the whole title of the content. In this, they must follow the recommendations of titles to call more attention and get more clicks and increase web traffics. We can give many more. Tips to optimize the content of your website for SEO and increase traffic. But that's as far as we've come for today, my friends. As always, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below what you think. Thank you very much and see you next time.